Hey guys, this is Helpscreen and this is how to fix the mobile app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and then guys, search for the T-Mobile application and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So guys, when T-Mobile has an update, you should be able to update it over here. So guys, the second solution is just go to the settings. And then once you are on the settings, just go to the apps. And then from here on the apps, guys, just scroll down and try to find T-Mobile. And then once you find it, guys, just tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to solve the issue on your T-Mobile application. And guys, if any of these doesn't work, the last and third solution is just reinstalling the application from your device. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled on your device, what you will do is just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again on your device. And then from there, you should be having a working T-Mobile application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.